Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have a new model, just got it today. It's the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. It's a 2010 model, Gen 997. It's in metallic grey color with white gold stripes and paintwork going on it. Very good model and a very decent price tag for this model I got. And that's why I couldn't resist to let it go, so I just bought it. You should guys check it out as well. I bought it from car models with z.com. Very good person to deal with, Rob, Mr. Rob. You should try his website. I mean, they have a very good collection of Koenigsegg and few other models, Ferrari as well, and various models, and with a very good decent price. So talking about this model, I mean, I love Porsche 911 and the price was good, so I thought why not put it in my collection, add it to my collection. And the color, I had an option, the blue one with the red rim and red stripes, and the metallic grey with white gold stripes and rim color and everything. It was a decent color and I liked the grey one. I loved the blue one, but the red rims were a bit too much on it, so I preferred this one. But I'm very happy after looking at it. The color came out very nice in it. It's a very good color, the metallic grey with white gold stripes and white gold wheel covers. It's an Autoart performance, and let's take it out and review the model properly and see the details in depth. So what it is. So here we are, the metallic grey color with white gold stripes running around over here, with the white gold GT3RS logo on this side, on the front side as well. The wheels as well, even on the spoiler over here, as you can see, it's a white gold. And the grey color, the metallic grey color, is outstanding. I was thinking I did a mistake buying this car in this color. I should have gone for the blue one, but after looking it in the real, it's a very good color, a very unique color, and I love this. Even the lights over here, as you can see, they are way crystal. I mean, very good quality, too much crystalness in it. Even on the front bumper lights as well, and the indicators on the both side of the car, very well maintained. The quality of the plastic used is really good on the lights. Talking about the front bumper, 2 air intakes, giving the air to the wheels and the discs to cool it down, and front as well. It goes from here, I think, and comes out from here. And this splitter over here, sport extension, looks really nice. Really bring it in on an aggressive mode over here. And the GT3 RS sticker stripe over here, the diecast. The color combination is really good, and the side mirrors as well are white gold color, and the wheels as well. The brake calipers are even in white gold color. Should have changed it. I mean, in some other, maybe matching the seat belts with the red would have looked more better, but still it's good, looking nice, very nice. The stripes over here as well, the gold stripes. Look at the color, I love the color. It's a very different color. Never had it in my collection till now. From some place it gives a black look, and some place it gives a grey look and changes the shade. The wheels are well made, even the tires as well, movable, steerable, no shocks, even the sports kit running from here as well on the underneath the door. So let's go on the back side. The huge spoiler giving the GT3 RS look, and the carbon fiber work is over there. I don't know, maybe you can see it or not. Yeah, and the small spoiler as well. I mean, it can be taken off, but some way in the future, maybe I might. There are screws over here, and you can detach it from the car model, and might give a more better look. It looks perfect, but to make it a bit different in the GT3 RS version, the light over here, the brake light, the middle brake light on the spoiler, GT3 RS logo, and then the exhaust over here, I mean air vents over here, two exhausts coming out from the center, and the bumper has air vents over here on the both sides to bring the air out. And the light quality of this model is perfect. As you know, Autoart, they do really nice work with the lights and everything, the paint job and everything. They really go in detail. This is glass plastic, all the windscreens, and the front monogram of Porsche is in a good quality as well. You can feel it, yeah. I hope it doesn't come off. Normally Autoart decals and these small monograms don't come off easily. The color is outstanding. Very much happy with the color, the quality as well. So let's open the bonnet and see, starting from the bonnet. There you are. Typical fabric storage space, and all covered with plastic, as you can see over here. Nothing much is going on, just some storage space to keep the bags or something like that. Let's see the interior now. There you go. Easy to open. Very good detail in the interior. Let me focus it. There you go. It's all carpeted from underneath, the seats and everything, even in the back over here as well, it's all carpeted. And the interior is in black, and you can see all the components going on with and the door panels, the door opening, closing knob as well in red color. Good model. The seats quality is very nice. I like the seats, as you can see, with GT3 RS logo, as you can see on the seats. Bucket seats with red seat belts. Let's move on the other side and see it from there. There you go. The center clock, the Porsche icon, I can say. Put this clock in the center of the dashboard. Same thing. Quality is really good. Must to have it in the collection. Comes with a rolling bar, as you can see. Yep, there are roll bars at the back. There you see it. These are the roll bars. I mean, if you go in an accident, it comes in GT3 RS specifically because it's a big engine, 2.8. So they come with it. Yeah. So let's open the trunk where the engine lies. There you go. GT3 RS Porsche. It has a side inch 2 shock, but it's not holding it. Maybe it's quite heavy. So this is it. Now you can see the carbon fiber going on over here. It's more clearer from here, the spoiler. It's all carbon fiber decals going on in it. So this is it. A very good model, guys. One should have it in their collection. Now you can see the color difference. I mean, it changes the color. In the light it's different, in daylight it's different, and now it's giving a black look. As you can see, now the color is changing again and again. Very good model. I'm happy with it. Really liked it, loved it. Thank you, carmodels.com. Really appreciate your concern and help in shipping in such a problematic problems going on around the world, but still I received the model on time and safely and intact. Thank you very much, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and you liked my new model, the new ad in my collection. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Your subscription is my motivation. And till the next video, please take care and goodbye.